clouds. So awesome.
You want to be a tornado chaser, don't you, Mom?
Oh my God. I do. We're really stupid, aren't we?
Yeah, a little bit. That's so cool.
It seemed to be blowing that way, but I don't know now. Look at it, it's picking up again.
It's going to the right.
I saw a bunch of people off the side of the road wondering what they were looking at because it was hailing.
Looks pretty cool in the video. Look how wide it goes, all the way as far as the left.
Just calm it. Sweet.
That would be scary.
Oh my God. Yeah.
David.
Hello. What? Yeah, right outside our back door.
You're just standing
Yeah.
there talking.
No, it's about
We're
a
all
mile.
watching it.
It's about a
You
mile,
could hear it,
2
it's
miles
loud.
away.
Huge.
I'm trying to figure out which way it's going. Looks like it's going kind of parallel to our house. But yeah, we're looking at it right now, taking a video of it.
Here, Mom, your video. I'll go get smoking.
No, you're gonna get them.
Yeah, that's all. Yeah, it's down to the ground. It can't be more than a mile away. I mean,
Where's the camera
clouds are
covering?
swirling.
No, it's up here on the right.
No, I don't see anything. But yeah, it's pretty freaky. Got the animals in the basement.
But not us.
I just got home too. And it was hailing on the way home and raining. Okay. See ya.
It's kind of the same thing as the video.
Well, how big will the video be? You might want to do shorter videos.